bag. We on the same page, you the same way.
So guys, how are you? Hope you're doing well. It's been a minute since I've been on the vlog in real life. My car. I did my makeup today. We are going to a comedy going to a comedy show. By the time this is up, hopefully she'll know where we're going for one of my cousins. I'm trying to talk to y'all in this car without putting my thing on. I'm in the driveway. Oh my god. I'm still in the driveway, so it's not a big deal, but still. Yeah, so we're hanging out, going with her to see a comedy show, and I thought it was not going to be this hot. It is 84 degrees, and I have on jeans, and it's not that bad, but it's still very hot, and I feel like that's unnecessary. And then I'm in the car with no air, so I'm trying to keep it low because you guys are here, but you're about to hear it because it's hot. Yeah, so I did a video for you guys for this hair, and it is 22 inches Beauty Forever hair. It looks so good. Like, I'm short, so I'm only 5 feet, so this comes down to almost my tailbone length. And I'm gonna put on these sunglasses, like my fake Dior's, because I'm gonna be extra going to Target. Let's go. All right, so I had to go to Target because I had to pick up these shoe pedal thingies. I got these shoes from Shein in a size 40, which they said was like a size 8.5, and I don't think it was because they're a little bit too big for me, but I still like them anyway, so I'm gonna wear these today. And I had to get all of the foot cushions. My Target is getting redone right now, so they didn't really have this out. I had to ask somebody at the shoe department, and they were able to give it to me. So I put these inside of this, and then I'm going to show you guys my whole outfit for today. I think I might put on a belt. I don't know yet. Let's see. I feel like I should put on a belt, but I can probably show you my fit sitting down. Like, ooh, it's not a good angle sitting down. Let me get this shoe out here. This is what I'm looking like. I think I need to put on a belt because this is not it right now. Shoes are, like I said, Shein. I feel like my toes, I don't want to be one of those girls where your toes is on the ground. They're not, but I feel like they could easily be. This top is from, I don't know, Pretty Little Thing, but there were sleeves on it, like there were sleeves attached to this top, and I took the sleeves off of here because it was like not connected. I don't know how to explain that, so I just took it off, and yeah, that's it. So that's my outfit. I think I'm gonna put a belt on though because I'm feeling like it looks better with the belt, and I feel like I look far away. You guys can't really see me. I think I might take you upstairs in my closet to show you. And I need to cut this string off of my jeans too. See that? Doesn't want me to be great. So, feel okay. I just don't like the way my shoes sound. It's hot outside. I don't know. All right, I'm gonna go, guys. I gotta put on some perfume, and it's never a good angle. I don't know why I do that. I'm gonna put on some perfume. Oh, it's lighting. Hey. Yeah, put on some perfume. I think I'm gonna pass my hair just one more time and go put on, that's it. My feet are sweaty now, so hope they don't get too sweaty. But I'm gonna go downstairs, my shisha, put on perfume, and do a pass in my hair. I recorded a video for y'all, so be proud. Yeah, I recorded a video for you guys yesterday. I pretty much recorded me getting ready and doing everything I was doing to go out yesterday or last night, and I had such a good time. And now I'm figuring out which perfume I'm gonna wear. I said I was gonna wear Kilian, but this, just, you see how much disaster that is? Hopefully you don't see that. I'll put you like this, so I'm behind it. So I will put on, I kind of want to wear Alien today. I haven't worn it in a long time. But then Killian I think might be better, because it's stronger, so I'm going to do that one. So, perfume choice for the day. Guys, look at my nails. I guess I could put this in this vlog, right? So cute. So cute. Yeah, so I got my nails done yesterday too, which was fine, but do it this way. I spray it on my clothes too. Don't rub it in, just dab it, and right at the like crook of my elbow. This hair is so nice, like it is so beautiful, long. It is black. Like I dyed it jet black, and I also recorded that in the video, so you'll be able to see that. I recorded my makeup look, and then my camera cut out, so I didn't get to do an intro or anything. I don't know, that's what I'm saying. I don't know if you guys want to even see that. I don't know. If you do, I will. And I think I'm gonna go get a belt, and that's it for me. That's it for me. Let's go get a belt.
One eternity later.
Okay. Hi guys. So I just finished recording this whole entire look. The makeup, the hair. It looks really, really nice. And I cleaned up my beauty room before I started filming, and then I filmed, and now it looks exactly the same as it did before. I don't know if y'all want to see me cleaning this up, but I think I'm gonna sit you down somewhere so you can see me. I just don't know where. I have a new tripod, so I could put you, that's what I'll do, because I want to put you like in this area, but there's no other place to put you, so I'll do that in 1 second. Okay, so I'm gonna just start cleaning up. Probably gonna speed clean through this so you don't have to see this. Just putting stuff away. I know I'm cleaning, but this is what I wanted to show you guys. I went to Target yesterday or the day before yesterday, and I got this like case for my makeup. So I'm about to transfer the makeup from here, and I have another bag. I have some brushes over there and a bunch of makeup over there as well, and then a little bag in the back. I also have another organizer that I'll show you, but basically I'm gonna take these makeup brushes and I'm gonna put them inside of this container, and it's gonna be the like what I use pretty much in a day to get ready. So I'm about to do that right now.
All you wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat. Just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me. So let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep. While we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy cane with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. That's what they gon' say. With the top down screaming.
Can y'all see what I'm doing? Or
when it's sunrise, we'll be on it. Well, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Yeah. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, yeah, baby, when we gon' slide, slide, slide. I don't care if we on the run. Nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if this was you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. And we up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Well, I got 5, you know so live.
I used this palette today. I know I'm not supposed to be talking to y'all, but look, I used this palette, OPV. I used this brown for underneath my waterline. I don't know if you can see it, but it looks really good.
Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's all live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Yeah. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, baby, baby, when we gon' slide, slide, slide. I don't care if we on the run. Nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same way, feel the same way. You know I'll be down if this was you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room. Doing our thing.
Well, that's as clean as this is gonna get right now. I gotta open this BoxyCharm box. I got a whole bag of trash to get rid of. I just finished cleaning up the beauty room, and I can show you what that looks like. I have a headache. I know I keep saying that. I gotta stop saying that because I do have a headache. But all right, this is what it looks like so far. I'm not gonna go down too far on the ground, but this is what it looks like. I just moved everything back to its original spot. What I did was, let me lower you guys so you can see. So what I did was I bought this from Target, which is so helpful because it has everything that I use on a daily basis in here now. And that's great because I don't have to reach for anything. And then I bought this, just trying to organize myself. I also bought these. Everything's moving. I bought these over here, this shelf. They're 2 shelves, and I put my makeup that I don't really use over here. Makeup brushes that all have to be washed. Clorox wipes, I keep those on hand. And then like a little plastic container for beauty blenders. I gotta get something better than this because that's not it. And that's it. And this packet right here, I am gonna do a separate video on that. It's just basically all my wig items. Everything that I use for my hair. And I'm trying to keep it all in one place because every time I'm looking to do something, I lose it. So I recorded a lot today, and I'm tired now. I recorded 2 videos, makeup and hair, and then I'm vlogging. That's another one. So I'm just doing a lot right now. All I had today was 3 eggs and turkey bacon. And I probably should eat something. And I'm definitely way behind on water because I gotta watch on. It don't even work. 4:30. So I haven't eaten since like 9 o'clock. Maybe probably why I have a headache. So I'm gonna go take like a leave or something. Oh, and I worked out today. Who am I? Yo, I don't know if you ever drink strawberry water. For some reason, this thing is keeping me motivated. I found this at Target for $6, and it's plastic. Excuse me. But I don't know why I feel like it looks mad greasy. I don't know why it looks like that. But anyway, it's just strawberries with lemon, like a squeeze of lemon and water, and it is so good. And if you just let the strawberries sit like overnight, like strawberry infused water, I'm gonna go buy some more strawberries because I want to do this again. That's how good this is. Like, this is so good, I want to make more of it and like make a big batch of it and just keep pouring it in here and filling it up. It's not sweet, but I haven't been drinking water at all, so I have to do this. Like, I don't have a choice right now. My body, it needs to detox. Okay, but that's really it, yo. I done cleaned up upstairs. What else did I do? I don't know. I'm trying to figure out how to use this tripod and trying to figure out why it's sideways. It's killing me. What is... This thing is dope, but I just don't know how to use it. has like so many different things you could like. Look at how it moves. You see how seamless that is? This thing. I just don't know what I did wrong here. I did something wrong. I'll figure it. Oh, maybe that's why. Oh, guys, the legs weren't all the way straight. Yo, that was the simplest fixed. That was dumb. That was dumb. Literally, the legs were like this, so they weren't all the way down. And I was like, why is this tripod looking like it's crooked? It's like tilted like this. I'm like, what's wrong with it? Me, I don't know what's wrong with it. So, okay, I gotta go wash my hands. They're so dry because I think I washed them like 4 times while I was recording. And I gotta figure out what I'm doing with this stuff on this couch because I don't want to look at it. And, yeah, what am I gonna do with these 2 blue guys? I don't even think I fit in there. I have so much stuff in here. It's really out of control. I don't need anything else but keep buying stuff. Okay, I'll see you guys in a little bit. My face is looking flawless. I look flawless. All right. I just feel so cute. It's the brown skin with the blondish hair with the brown shirt. Just feeling like, oh. All right. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.